So I learn a lot from quite a lot of members. I've had also a lot of friendly banter with Honorable Member Dola Sen. And if the House will indulge in me, if I try speaking a bit of Bengali. Please, Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir, please do not mind me. I'll try, and I'm sure it's not going to be perfect. Well, she spoke in Bengali. I'm trying to give a reply in the same language. I try sometimes. In Tamil, in Telugu, in Malayalam, I do, and I like to do it in Bengali too. Sir, Dola, I've not said Mrs. Miss Dola Sen, Banglate Baktavya Rekyechen. Ami Banglate Unake reply Dite Chai. Kendra Sarkar Banglarer Garib Kisan Der ke 10,000 koti taka dite. Dite chai, kintu Rajya Sarkar dite diche na. And she used the word laja. Lazza. What was the pronunciation? Saying shame. I just want to observe. Eta ki tik lazza. Again, Kendra Sarkar Banglarer Garib Manuser Chikitsa Jano Ayushman Bharat Lagu Karte Chai Kintu Rajya Sarkar Karte Diche Na. Garib Manus there. Garib Manus there. Eta ki tik.
Please.
गरीब मानुष दे ऐता की टीक लज्जा. Third, sir. No problem. Dola Sen can say what they have as a better scheme. You may have. You may give 1 lakh per. No, please.
Please,
But sir, if they are giving, let us say, 10 crores, what is the problem if Modi gives 1 more crore? You add it, na? Or if we have a better scheme, I don't want yours. ये क्या तरीका हुई? Sir, third point. Third point, sir.
प्लीज आपस में बैठकर बात करें. प्लीज बैठ करके आपस में बात ना करें. प्लीज आपस में बात ना करें. कोई चीज रिकॉर्ड पे नहीं जा रही. माननीय मंत्री जी का बयान. प्लीज
Listen to this.
माननीय मंत्री जी प्लीज.
Sir, whether it is health, whether it is the farmer, whether it's the garib person from Bengal, Kendra Sarkar ja ditte chai 6 se apnar refuse karte tak ben, kintu complain karte tak ben कि केंद्र सरकार बांग्ला के खिचुन दी छे ना, which is not right. बार complaint that central government is not giving anything is wrong.
Please take your seats. Please.
Sir.
Please. Please, madam, please. आपस में बैठ कर बात.
I'm glad to hear, sir. I'm glad. Dola ji, Basun.
Please,
Sir.
please. Please.
Sir,
Please conclude.
actually,
Please, please.
actually,
Please,
Uh-huh.
please, please. Please, please. Please.
sir,
Please,
if
please.
there is that anxiety, I would have given my answer to Vijay Sai Reddy garu in Telugu. TTD Tirumala Devasthanam paina petna tax ఒక్క తిరుమల తిరుపతి దేవస్థానంకు మాత్రం కాదు GST కి ముందు నుంచే ఉంది. Here na, you wanted me to say in other language, I'm saying this is now.
Please.
Sir, there is no election.
Please. Please.
Sir, yeah, I will say that.
Honorable Minister, please conclude. Please conclude.
Sir.
Please conclude.
Honorable Chairperson, sir, I just want to tell that I'm glad to hear from Ms. Dola Sen that they never refused. I want to submit that when my budget speech was given on 1st February, when members asked me why I brought down 10,000 crore of allocation for agriculture, I had to explain. If they didn't refuse, it's good news for me. But because by the time budget was to be presented, the farmers list hadn't come to the central government. Was that
Please conclude.
acceptance?
Please conclude.
So,
Honorable Minister, please
So-
conclude. Please conclude.
so I think, sir,
Please.
so therefore,
Please,
sir,
please.
if the
Please.
list had come, if the
Please.
list had come,
Please conclude.
sir, I'm talking to you. If the list had come, Bengal's poor Kisan would have received that money which is for PM Kisan Samman Nidhi. It hadn't come, it wasn't given to the farmers. Sir,
Please.
Alright, it's all
Consider to
right.
conclude. Please.
sir, Manya
Please.
member,
Please.
sir,
Please.
about the petrol tax, sir.
Please.
About the petrol and diesel taxation.
Please.
I'm sorry, I object.
Please.
Sir, I object. I don't utter a word of untruth. Jhoot ka shabd upyog na kare.
Please.
I don't utter a word of
Please.
untruth in this house.
It will be
I'm
examined.
sorry. You have to apologize and
Please.
withdraw that
It will
word.
be examined. Please.
No.
let's see.
How dare, sir? I don't utter a word of untruth in this house.
It will be
I don't
examined,
say
madam,
Jhoot.
please.
You better apologize. You
Please.
better apologize.
Please.
Sir.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.